The Vermont Supreme Court has issued an opinion that could affect farmers statewide. You might remember this case from Essex Junction. We first introduced you to this farmer back in 2023.
Yeah, it centered around one man's backyard farm operation involving ducks and cannabis, all just a few doors from a local school. NBC5's Anna Goober explains the impact.
For the last 2 years, Jason Struthers has used the manure from these ducks that he houses in his Essex Junction backyard to fertilize the cannabis that he also grows back here. Now, despite concerns from his neighbors, the city has not had the authority to force him to shut down this operation. But now an opinion issued by the Vermont Supreme Court could change that.
In 2011, I shattered my spine skydiving, and gardening was a way for me to get exercise and grow organic food and help me heal. There we go. Yeah, I know.
We first introduced you to Jason Struthers in 2023. It wasn't long after his injury that a love for gardening led Struthers on a path to farming, raising ducks and selling their eggs out of the backyard of his Essex Junction home. But that's not the only purpose his webbed feet friends have since served.
Duck manure is one of the few, such as rabbit, that you can add directly to a vegetable or cannabis garden.
For the last 2 years, Struthers has used his duck's manure to fertilize a backyard marijuana operation. During that time, there have been complaints from neighbors about the sounds and smells and the fact that Struthers' home is located in a residential neighborhood. The city has tried to shut it down with zoning laws, but because he makes more than $2,000 a year in egg and other agriculture sales, the Agency of Agriculture says Struthers' operation qualifies as a farm and falls under their oversight.
It's commonly understood that municipalities do not regulate farming.
But now that's on track to change. While a Superior Court agreed that cities do not have authority over farms, General Counsel for the Agency of Agriculture, Steve Collier, says the Vermont Supreme Court did not. Justices issuing an opinion that could give municipalities more power over farms through zoning laws.
Most troublingly, municipalities could begin regulating farms, which could mean a whole host of new regulatory requirements they have to meet, but it could also mean not allowing farming in some areas, which has never been part of Vermont's landscape. So it's a potentially a really large shift.
With the end of the legislative session fast approaching, Collier says lawmakers are on a tight deadline to take action by revising legislation to clearly exempt farming from local zoning laws.
This is no longer about my farm or my ducks. This is about agriculture in general, because all farms are now in jeopardy.
While the court's decision won't affect Struthers' ability to grow cannabis, it does mean the city could require him to remove the ducks. In a statement, Essex Junction city manager says the court's opinion is consistent with part of what the city's review board initially decided. She says the city will carefully consider its next steps to ensure they align with the lower court. At this point, Struthers says he will be re-arguing his case in the Superior Court, but at this time it's unclear when those legal proceedings will begin. In Essex Junction, Anna Goober, NBC5 News.